Welcome YouTube, welcome Rumble, welcome Facebook, welcome the world. Since I kind of used to call it Facebook land or YouTube world, my name is William Drosky, owner of dumbexperts.com. Provide wealth education and training for people on how to build their business through this concept of network marketing. The thing is, I'm going to go through this one training, which probably be short, is like the Power of One. The Power of One is a fantastic technique that you can perfect and use in your network marketing business. Whether if you're in Full of Brush, Watkins, or you sell like skincare products such as Avon, or health and nutritional products, selling health supplements to keep people healthy. Now the Power of One there is like when you can like things, how you contact people through your cold calling or prospecting. And when you're prospecting, you get talk to this one person. Let's say his name is Matthew. You go through the presentation with Matthew, and he's somewhat interested, but he still wants to wait on the fence to need some time to think it over, because he's skeptical on things. So before you get off the phone, with him, you ask for a referral. And it's like, so he knows this one person across town, and his name is Charlie, or Chuck, or maybe Charlie. So let's name him Charlie. And by the way, this isn't Charlie from Charlie Brown from the Peanuts there. So, it's nothing like that there. So you talk with Charlie, go through the business presentation, how the business works, and after you get done, he is not really interested, and wants to do other things and still keep his job there. So you do the same thing with you done with Matthew, is ask for a referral. So he knows this other person down and a lady in Tennessee, and her name is Penny. So after you get off the phone with Charlie, you call Penny, which you let her know that you got her number from Charlie. That he gave you her number, and you're talking to Penny about the opportunities of business, marketing, on creative income at home. And after you get through with her, and she's kind of interested, but she still has a couple other irons on the fire, and still doesn't really believe that she can market her business there and earn an income. So before you get off the phone with Penny, you ask a referral from Penny as a good face gesture. So she knows this guy in the next town over, that his name is Jake, that might be a good fit for the business. So let me remind you, this is not Jake from State Farm. It's just like an ordinary Jake. So you can call Jake there, and you like give him the presentation or send him an email about the opportunity. You can do like a three-way. Of course, you can do three-ways with Penny, Charlie, Matthew, any one of them. So that's just like always an option. So you give it like a presentation with Jake, but Jake isn't really interested in doing the business at the time. So you get a referral from Jake before you get off the phone, and that's just for a helpful gesture. So he refers you to Derek, which might be a good fit for your business. So you call Derek, and you present Derek with the opportunity of a lifetime on your business, reselling or marketing, photo brush, health supplements, or skincare, and Derek's like kind of not interested, but Derek kind of gives you like an indication he might not be a fit for the business. Or so after you get off the phone with Derek, you ask for a referral, and referral from Derek, and he gives you Bob's number, which it may be a good fit there. So you end up calling Bob, and after you call Bob, you let him know about the business. And Bob used to be in network marketing before, and he wants to get back into it. So Bob wants to sign up there and wants to join your business there. So since you mentioned that you want to do the right thing there, so you want to get off the phone with Bob and let your other prospects know but they want to get on board. So Bob usually has I have some other things I like to get connected there, but you end up calling Derek back after you talk to Bob, letting you know Derek has one of his referrals that wants to join the business. So Derek is getting all excited there, kind of gets rejuvenated, kind of getting more, feeling more enthusiastic there. So Derek decides he should get involved and join the business there. So you have Derek wanting to get on board. So before you sign him up, you mentioned you want to do the right thing there and get a hold of your other prospects there, like Jake and Penny and Charlie. Rich Randy Pete there before you talk to Derek and enroll Derek or Bob. You call Jake back and let him know that one of his referrals that he gave you wants to join the business there. And after that, that excites Jake, wants to get him to join the business there, which he might there. But Jake is still a kind of skeptic there. So Jake doesn't want to be joining there, so you want to be getting a hold of Penny. Now Penny, inform Penny that you like talk to Jake there, but Jake referred you to Derek, which referred you to Bob. All it's like wanting to get involved with the business, or so Penny gets really excited on the business opportunity that you're presenting there. So she wants to join the business that you're in, whether it be Fuller Brush or New Skin, or selling kind of skincare products or health supplements, or the businesses that I have involved with credit restoration. So before you get Penny signed up, there's like you want to get notified Charlie. So you inform Charlie that one of his referrals, Charlie, wants that one of his referrals, Penny, wants to get in a business opportunity. So instantly that kind of excites Charlie on getting involved with the business opportunity and creating a positive cash flow or residual income. And no, this isn't Charlie from the Charlie Brown from the Peanuts. This is just an ordinary Charlie here. So Charlie also wants to join the business, the business opportunity to get involved. Kind of misspelled it there. So if you're gonna also want to before you sign Charlie up, get him involved, you want to also inform Matthew, your original prospect that you called that got a referral from Matthew. So you let Matthew know that one of his referrals on the business that you talked to Charlie, and Charlie wants to join, and that gets him excited. Or after you let him know that Charlie also gave a referral to Penny, also want to join. And from Penny referring Jake, and Jake from referring Derek, that Derek is wanting to join to start their own business, but Derek gave you another prospect, Bob, which also wants to join, and you all let Matthew know all these people that are going to be joining the business there. So Matt is totally 100% on board on getting in the business there. So he wants to join the business that you're involved. So you end up signing up Matt as an agent or a distributor as the business there. You put Charlie under Matthew as a distributor. This is known as creating a downline for Matthew, just helping people with their business there. So you sign Penny up under Charlie, and you sign up let's say if Jake does want to join. If you had, you would have signed Jake on under Penny, but since you didn't want to join, you make Derek under Penny's downline and the business there, and you put Bob under Derek, and Bob is getting all there, preferring tons of other people in the business there, and Bob refers Julie. Let's say Julia also refers Barbara, which also joins the business on whatever you're offering. But this is call her Barb. Now this is like all the power one there with the prospecting technique and working your network marketing business there. So this is finishing up my training there. Now my name is William Drosky. I offer credit registration services for consumers and businesses as well. Also with discounts on dental, vision, and chiropractic care. And the thing is, like, I do have my website there, so if you want to hit subscribe, hit the like button there if you like what I do. And don't forget to shake the money tree. And if you're interested in starting your home-based business or looking for any kind of business funding, non-profit or profit purposes, send me an email on my websites, dumbexpert.com, or my other websites, Private Wealth Focus, or send me a private message or make a comment that you want to join on any of my YouTube videos or Rumble or my locals channel or Snooze, my other social media, my website at Gab, and my other group at Facebook with Embracing Entrepreneurship, which also on locals, as well with Gab, which you can also find me on MeWe as well as with USA Life. So just like a William Drosky, I'm just reminding you to shake the money tree there.